Hello gardening buddies. I want to have you join me to answer a question that I posed in two of my Facebook groups. One of the groups that I'm in is called Gardening Rebels and the other one is Wild Northwest. I really encourage you guys to check out those two groups because the comments, golden, okay? So the question we're here to answer is what pooped in my garden, and I want to show you kind of what my garden looks like. So here it is. We've got a 6-foot fence all the way around. It's about 4,500 square feet, and over there by the door there is actually even a lock on the door. So I'm gonna take you over there and let's go check out this poo. All right, we're coming up on the door. So as you can see, it's a pretty sturdy, stable fence. I'll get a lock on it there. And this is not exactly strong enough to hold up a human or a bear. I mean, I don't know, maybe. And some people were asking, do I have any trees covering the garden? So there is this one here and this one here, but the poo, or what might be poo, is way over there on the other side. So let's go check it out. Okay, now that we're in the garden, I'm gonna take you over to what I found this morning early when I was doing the slug patrol. Every morning I come out and I remove the slugs from my garden. Okay, so check this out. This is what I found this morning. Here's my boot. And now let's see if we can figure out what it is. Okay, I'm down here with the specimen. First thing we're gonna do is smell it. Okay. Here's what it looks like. I'm not gonna taste it, you guys. That was a really unique suggestion. I think I'm gonna pass. Okay. It doesn't really smell like poop. Not really, kind of smells like dirt. So let's dig into it a little bit deeper and see if we can get some answers for ourselves. Okay, so I'm gonna put this back down and let's just I mean, it feels like a very firm turd, but check this out. That is a root. So let's see what's under here. Okay, I'm pretty convinced now that this is dirt and not poop. But what I'm wondering is, oh my gosh, you guys, check this out. Whoops. Almost lost my glove. Okay. So now you can see into this very deep hole that goes toward me. Like I can stick my whole hand in there. All right, mystery solved. Looks like it was most definitely some burrowing critter under here, which I'm guessing was a mole that came across one of my vole tunnels to the surface and just pooped out a little mud turd. Well, thanks for coming along and joining me for this garden mystery. Anyway, again, if you're watching this video on YouTube, go check out Garden Rebels and Wild Northwest on Facebook. You're gonna wanna check out those comments because those are my people. All right, happy gardening, everybody. Bye.